Peace and love, my fellow Rise Gardeners. Thanks for joining us again on the Rise Garden YouTube channel. My name is Kimora, and I'm a Rise Garden Ambassador. Today, I'm gonna take you through the process of how I manifest my life, my goals, my dreams, using my Rise Garden. You're only gonna need a few things for this process. 1, a journal. 2, you're gonna need your Rise Garden nurseries, whether they be new school or old school. 3, you're going to need your Rise Garden seed pods. And finally, moon water. What is moon water? How do I make it? What is it all about? I just took a really nice glass container, filled it up with tap water. On the full moon, I sat this outside on my patio chair and let it just absorb the light from the moon. Like, I just put it in a great area where there's no trees blocking it and just was able to absorb the light of the moon. Moon water just has special properties that allow you to bring things into fruition into this world. All right, first things first is we're gonna get started with our journal, and we're gonna write down some things that you wanna create in your reality. You know, maybe this month I want to develop closer relationships with my friends. I write down, I am so grateful that I have amazing friends that I can rely and count on. Another example might be, I'm so grateful that I earned a promotion at work. And you take your time, you write them down in your journal. The next step of the journey is actually planting the seeds. So I'm gonna take my Rise Garden nurseries. Today I'm gonna be planting tatsoi. I'm gonna just place them into the container. Pop that little hole, and then place them inside the nursery. Now that I've got all the seeds planted, I'm gonna assign each individual seed an intention. I'm gonna use this moon water as the initial nourishment of my intention/seeds. I fill it all the way up to the line. So now you're gonna take our nursery and our affirmations to the Rise Garden. Now that you've brought your nursery to the Rise Garden, I want you to put your affirmations directly under your nursery. And that's it. I want you to release your attachment to everything that you wrote down on your paper, and just notice how in life you'll see those things show up in your life. Please tell me if you were able to manifest something using this technique. I would love to hear about your experiences in the comments.